Hey, Mariette Martinez here. Let's cover the home office deduction for today's tax savings tip. The home office deduction allows a business owner to write off a portion of home expenses associated with their business use. These expenses can include the following: mortgage interest, real estate taxes, home insurance and repairs, rent, and utilities. So how do you know if you can deduct your home office space? First, to be deductible, you must use a designated space in your home regularly and exclusively. Second, the space in your home must be your principal place of business. In other words, the place you get all your work done, meet your clients, and take your phone calls. If your home office meets these requirements, you have two deduction methods to choose from. With the simplified method, multiply the square footage of your home office by $5. The maximum footage allowed for the simplified method is 300 square feet, which is a $1,500 deduction. The regular method takes into account actual home expenses and requires more documentation. Remember, regardless of which method you choose, you must always measure your home office space. Now, know your limitations. The home office deduction is limited to your net income, which means it may not create a loss for your business. So you're probably asking, how do you know which method saves you more money? The annual taxes feature in QuickBooks Self-Employed can compare both options, help you maximize your deductions, and keep more money in your pocket.